Dear learners, in last lecture, we have seen how to add the course material to our Google Classroom. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to add the assignments for the students for the submission. For adding the assignments, first of all, we have to go into our classroom that we have created. In that classroom, click on classwork. Now we are going to create the assignments for the students. So first of all, to create the assignment, click on create button and click on assignment button. After this, it will ask for the title of the assignment. So you can give the title to the assignment. For example, I am giving here the name as to be assignment 1. Instructions are the optional. So instructions might be, for example, you have to submit the assignment within due dates. So this is an instruction for the students and this is an optional part. Now, how to add the assignment? So again, you can add the assignment by using the add button, or you can create the assignment by using the create button. So first of all, we are going to see how to add the assignment. So click on add button. Again, you can add the assignment either from the Google Drive or from the link or from the file from your local system or from the YouTube. So for example, we are going to add the assignment from my local system. So I am going to click on file button. Once you click on file button, it will be redirected to upload the file from the local system. So you have to just select the file that you want to upload onto the assignment. Then select the folder where you have created the assignment file and select the assignment file that you want to upload and click on upload button. Once you click on upload button, this assignment will be get uploaded into the title assignment 1. So you can see here the assignment1.docs has been uploaded. If you want to see this, you can just double click on this and it will be open into a new window. So you can see in this assignment I have uploaded some questions that should be answered by the students. So this assignment can be theoretical or programmatical depending upon the subject. So you can see here there are two questions in my first assignment. The first question is differentiate between C and C++ and the second question is to write a program. So in this way you can ask the students to submit the assignment. Now there are some points you can allocate or you can give for each assignment. So assignment 1 will be for 100 marks, for example, or you can do it for 10 marks. Okay, so it will depending totally upon the teacher who is going to check the assignment. So for my purpose, for my sake, I am giving 10 points for assignment number 1. You can also add the due date for the assignment. For example, I am going to add the due date after 2 days, that is 2 days, and on 10th or before 10th you have to upload your assignment. You can also add the time, that is 11:59 p.m. So before 11:59 p.m. on 10th of July 2020 you have to add your assignment, or the student should add the assignment. After that the assignment submission will not be accepted. Next, again similarly you have to add the topic under which you want to add this assignment. For example, we have created 3 topics in our classroom. Now I am going to add the assignment under my topic 1. Next, These are some rubrics that you can define for your assignment. So you can just add your own rubrics or you can just keep it as it is. Depends on the evaluator or the teacher. After doing all these settings, you can click on assign button and you can assign the assignment to the students. Now you can see under topic 1, the assignment 1 has been uploaded. So the students have to submit this assignment before the due date. So in this way, we can add the assignment by using the add button. Now we can see the second option for adding the assignment. Again, go into the click on the create button, go into the assignment tab. So again you can give the title. I'm going to give assignment number 2 and instructions that you have to submit the assignment before due date. That is the instruction for the students. Now, how to assign or how to upload the assignment dynamically or runtime? So for that purpose, you have to click on the create button and you can create the document or the slide or the sheet or the form or the drawings, depends on the teacher as he requires. For example, I am going to create a doc file for the assignment submission. Again, you can see the doc file has been created. This doc file will be automatically saved onto your Google Drive account. Now we have to just add the questions in this document. For example, I will write assignment 2. This is my second assignment. In that, question 1, write a program to add two numbers. This is my first question. You can add second question. What is polymorphism? This is the second question. And you can do the alignment as per your need, as per your requirement, as you do in your document. Again, you can save this document as to be assignment 2. All this data will be automatically saved onto the Google Drive. So there is no need to save it again separately. So you can see here, this document is saving onto my Google Drive. So once this is got saved onto the Google Drive, you can see the assignment 2 is uploaded onto the or under the assignment 2 title. Now similarly again, you can add the points to each assignment. So I will add 10 points. The due date, I will add the date for the 2 days after, and I can add the timing also. So under topic 1, I want to add the second assignment, and again I can define the rubrics if we want. So you can see the file has been saved successfully. Now here again you have to click on assign button. So this assignment will be assigned to the students automatically. So in this way you can see here assignment 2 has been assigned to the students and its due date is of or after 2 days. So in this way you can add the assignments for the students and students can submit the assignment for the evaluation.